In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text to the center in Canva. This is a quick, simple skill that makes your designs look cleaner and more professional, whether you're working on a social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. First, open your project in Canva and make sure you can see the page where your text lives. Click on the text you want to center so the text box becomes active. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around it, and your typing cursor shows up inside the text. This works the same for headings, subheadings, and body text. If you have multiple text boxes, choose the one you want to align and keep it selected. Once the text is selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar. This toolbar appears whenever an object is selected, and for text, you'll see options like font, size, color, and spacing. Among these controls is the alignment button. It looks like a stack of small horizontal lines. Think of it as the paragraph alignment icon. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're still clicked inside the text box, because the toolbar only shows alignment controls for text. Go ahead and click the alignment icon. It cycles through the different alignment options: left, center, and right. Keep clicking until you see the text centered. You'll notice the lines of text shift, so they're evenly balanced in the middle of the text box. If you're working with multiple lines, each line will align to the center. If you've got a single line, you'll see equal space on both sides within the text box. A quick note for clarity: this action centers the text inside its text box. It doesn't move the text box itself on the page. If the box looks off to one side, that just means the text inside is centered, but the box hasn't been repositioned. That's normal and expected for this step. If clicking the icon doesn't seem to do anything, double check that you're actually selecting the text box and not a background image or another element. You can tell it's text when you can place the typing cursor inside it. Also, widening the text box can make centering more obvious, especially if your lines are wrapping in a tight space. And that's it. Select your text, find the alignment control in the top toolbar, and click until the text is centered. A small tweak, but it makes a big difference in the final look of your design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.